A 3-hour marathon engine is actually a liability in your first 100-miler if you fail to retrain your metabolic efficiency. Most road runners assume a 100-miler is just 350 ks stacked together. This linear thinking is why DNF rates skyrocket past the 100k mark. Physiologically, these are different sports. A 50k is a threshold event run at 85 to 90% of max heart rate. It is an eating contest disguised as a race. But here is the trap. You can fake a 50k on stored glycogen and minimal fueling. In a 100k, the math changes violently. If you run 5% too fast, your gut shuts down before your legs do. We see this constantly with fast marathoners attempting their first 100k. They possess the aerobic power to run fast, but lack the metabolic durability to digest 300 calories an hour while doing it. For 100-milers, the training focus must shift from V0 to max intervals to eccentric durability and time on feet. Your weekly structure needs to change completely. To finish a 100-miler, adopt the rule of decoupling. For every hour past 10 hours, lower your heart rate cap by 2 beats per minute to preserve gut function. Respect the distance, train the gut, and finish strong.